Nonprofit organizations often operate in multiple states to serve a wider community and increase their impact. However, operating in multiple states can also bring unique challenges that require careful planning and management. The information in this video is important due to just how many nonprofits are based in multiple states. In fact, according to a report by the National Council of Nonprofits, approximately 40% of U.S. nonprofits operate in multiple states. Also, a survey by the Nonprofit Finance Fund found that 59% of nonprofits operating in multiple states report facing challenges related to complying with state regulations, while 54% report challenges related to managing operations across multiple locations. Before we go over tips for how to operate a nonprofit in multiple states, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. So, what are some of the challenges of operating a nonprofit in multiple states? One of the biggest obstacles is complying with state-specific regulations. Each state has its own set of laws and requirements for nonprofits, and it can be difficult to keep up with all of them. Another challenge is managing operations across multiple locations, such as coordinating fundraising events or managing staff in different states. To overcome these challenges, nonprofits need to establish strong systems and processes. One solution is to establish a centralized headquarters that oversees all operations in different states. This helps to ensure consistency and streamline decision-making. Another solution is to leverage technology to connect staff and volunteers across different locations. This can include video conferencing, project management tools, and cloud-based file sharing. In addition to technology, nonprofits also need to invest in strong communication and collaboration among staff and volunteers. You might be wondering how nonprofits can ensure compliance with state-specific regulations. Nonprofits should work with legal counsel to ensure that they are complying with all state-specific regulations. This may include registering the organization with the state and filing annual reports. It's also important to keep up with changes in regulations and adjust operations accordingly. Finally, nonprofits should prioritize building strong relationships with local communities in each state they operate in. Forming strong relationships helps to ensure that the nonprofit services are tailored to the needs of the local community. It also helps to build trust and support for the nonprofit's mission. Operating a nonprofit in multiple states can be challenging, but with the right systems and processes in place, it can also be incredibly rewarding. By prioritizing compliance, communication, and community engagement, any nonprofit can continue to make a positive impact across the country. If you need more information about how to run a nonprofit in more than one state, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now, 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the process of operating a nonprofit across multiple states? Does it seem complicated to keep up with so many laws and regulations? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.